Here's some Oxford comma trivia. Subscribe. Which writer famously debated its necessity? Is it A. J.K. Rowling, B. Ernest Hemingway, C. Stephen King, or D. Lynn Truss? The correct answer is D. Lynn Truss. What does a missing comma in a list suggest? Is it A. Clarity, B. Style, C. Organization, or D. Confusion? The correct answer is D. Confusion. What punctuation error was famously highlighted? Is it A. Misinterpretation, B. Typographical mistake, C. Grammatical oversight, or D. Comma splice? The correct answer is A. Misinterpretation. Which famous American novelist quoted about it? Is it A. Mark Twain, B. John Steinbeck, C. Cormac McCarthy, or D. Henry James? The correct answer is A. Mark Twain. In what genre is its usage strictly adhered to? Is it A. Poetry, B. Fantasy, C. Nonfiction, or D. Fiction? The correct answer is C. Nonfiction. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.